Now I'm going to show you how to finish off your bracelet by adding the crimp tube on the end. You're going to take your piece of chain and just put it inside the crimp tube like this. Then this is a little bit tricky. It took me a few times to learn how to do this. Take your pliers and you're going to squeeze one side of the tube down firmly over the chain, and then a little bit like an envelope, you fold the other side of the tube over your chain and give it a firm squeeze again, because sometimes the chain could still slide out. Okay, you can use your wire cutters to cut off the excess wire. If there's a little bit of excess chain stuck inside, you want to trim it off with the wire cutters. And then you take your jump ring, open it up, and just slip the tube into the jump ring. Once again, we need our 2 pairs of pliers in order to firmly close the jump ring.